What is Lenox laser? Well, not quite. We drill precise microscopic holes in things. Sure, our holes are in space. Heck, we were even on the shuttle.
Hello, Houston. Nice holes.
Back here on Earth, we drill holes in most materials. And we pioneered this stuff. We also create cool products for what customers need. Spatial optical filters, pharmaceutical integrity testing, and even medical probes. We believe in quality, customer service, a higher authority, and we offer solutions. So, for over 32 years, over 60,000 customers, and products from here to Jupiter, Lenox Laser has been here for you. Yeah, it is rocket science.